Hello, sisters! Welcome to my little corner of the internet. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found this space. And if you're returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Here, I share slow days, gentle routines, cooking, and simple joys of cozy living. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's spend some time together.
In today's cooking vlog, I'm making something warm and comforting, delicious homemade cabbage rolls. A simple dish with lots of love. For this recipe, I'm using fresh cabbage leaves, Samuel seasoned mincemeat, and rich sauce made from blended tomatoes. After prepping everything, I then scooped the mincemeat, mixture, and then layer them on the plate before I put them in the oven. Rotate them to my kitchen with both And just like that, a cozy plate of cabbage rolls is ready to serve. Hearty, wholesome, and perfect for sharing. Simple moments like this make cooking at home so special. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye bye.
way better.